Namaste, divine beings. Do you have a seemingly impossible dream? Do you have challenges and problems weighing you down? You are not unique. Being human, we are all given a set of challenges for us to break through. When we break it through to attain the greater you of consciousness, now we are resolving all the limitations in our lives. May 1st is a workshop making the impossible possible with 6 master keys. The first, the power of grace, the power of action, the power of prayers, the power of the inner fires, the power of spirit having the human experience, and the power of being the cosmic child. With Siddha teachings to create a daily ritual and to master our circumstances is this workshop on May 1st. So join me, divine beings. Bring your beautiful presence. Om Namah Shivaya.